Time for the big reveal for me.
Lamarr Wilson.
How you doing? Good to see you. Lamarr Wilson here. Back to another video, back for another unboxing. This one is a special one that's brought to you by Controller Chaos. And I recently did a video with them where they bossed out a Switch dock and the actual Nintendo Switch and a controller. And I was like, if y'all don't come back and do something, and look at this. I know you saw the thumbnail, so let's just get into it. I stole that from someone. This is not a Sony exclusive, but this is a Fortnite inspired console. Okay, also to note, this is airbrushed by one of their artists. This is not a sticker. Very important to know, not a sticker, airbrushed individually. That's why they're limited. Matter of fact, they're limited to 25 per design. So if you want one, you better hurry up. Okay, and this, oh, that looks, dude, look at this. Okay, you know what? This is awesome. Got that Fortnite inspired thing, and this is 100% airbrushed. I can feel it. No, this ain't no sticker. They right. Oh man. Wow. The actual console. And then we have a bunch of controllers I'm gonna show you too. So just stay around after you see this. Get out of here. I already see it through the, oh my God. Oh, is that one of the slim ones? This is lighter and smaller than the one I have. Wow. Get out of here. Time for the big reveal for me. This is awesome. Guys, Fortnite inspired PlayStation 4. I love that this is like hand done. No stickers, hand done all the way. Just beautiful all the way around, even on the bottom. I didn't even know PlayStation put the little buttons, the little icons at the bottom. That's a nice little touch to like hold it up. That's really cool. Okay, so this particular design is for Xbox One, PS4, and the Switch. And they have a Slurp version listed online, which is like cool. Again, these are all limited edition, 25 per design. You bet. All right, so next thing I'm gonna show are the controllers. I don't know what order these are in. I know that these are all hand airbrushed as well. They have a build your own feature that you can customize this really any way you want. These are just samples of what you could do. And you can even put your gamer tag right on the controller. Okay, once again, Fortnite inspired. Ooh. Okay, so this first one, okay, they got me with this red color. Like right away, I'm like, oh, heck no, look at the pack. Okay, let's open the next one. What we got? Oh, look. Okay, first of all, I just like, I get to see that. I was like, wait, I don't know which one I want now. wait, what is that? Oh my God, this is beautiful. Look at the pack. I can feel the pattern. Oh, shooky. Like, okay. We in trouble. I don't know, can we top those two? I don't know. Like, I'm just, oh my God. This is the Slurp edition. If it could, Controller Chaos, listen, before I show this one, that PS4 that looks like this, call me. Woo! This is the Slurp edition, and Slurp, I love that Slurp is written right on the front here. And just look at it, is just stunning. Again, hand done, not a sticker. Let me be very clear with that. Holy crap. Oh my God, I am having a ball showcasing these so you all can see which one that you want to get. Whoa! They keep topping each one. Like, I was like, okay, this is cool in the front, but dang, look at the back. So in the front, very mute, got some color down the bottom, but then you turn it around and bam! Woo, I love this neon look this happened. So, okay, same thing in the back right here. It does not glow in the dark, but it definitely feels like it does. But it just, oh, I have a friend that will love this one right here. That is just a deep, beautiful color. I forgot that little character's name, but I ordered that so fast, looking like a demon. I love how it's, again, Fortnite inspired. Last one. Oh, this is a nice light color. So, oh my. Controller Chaos, can we marry? Like, I wanna do things. Hey, I almost dropped it. It's like, don't drop it. Oh, I love that. See the little Saturn planet right there in the middle of the buttons. Oh, on the back, nice and plain. But again, the texture is there. So in regards to controllers, all 8 designs are available on Xbox One, PS4, and on some are available on Pro controllers and on Joy-Con. So make sure you check the website to see which ones. So if you want to get these, and I know you do, listen, go to the website link I have below. There's a coupon code, you save 5%. Hey, and when you go to the website, it has my picture on it already, and I'm looking all cute and stuff. Not really cute, but like the controllers are cute. Don't look at me. look at everything that's there. Controller Chaos. Listen, thank you for partnering with me to showcase these beautiful things. Do I have to send these back? Like I can't. I don't get to keep everything, guys. On contrary, but I'm keeping this. I don't care what are you gonna do? Come to my house? Wait, who's ringing the bell? Okay, guys, thanks so much for watching. I hear footsteps on the stairs. Thanks so much for watching. Listen, they're banging on the door. Listen, I love y'all. If you like the video, please click like and make sure you subscribe. And again, go check these out. Stop banging on my door, man. And listen, I will talk to y'all in the next episode. They're coming.